Family.
Yeah, I know this.
I me say family.
Sure.
If I want thing, me hate a fern killer. Me no believe in a fern killer. Family. I me say family. Me love me family, them to me heart. Me would do the earth, one of them. Real kill it dead to the end, dead from me start.
So guys, are your boy? Yeah, I'm back again with another banger latest game video. Guys, if you see the other one before this, it did let the mission, they did alright to see pre. So today we have a mission for do. You see pre. I don't know why yet I'm going to do. It's a really beautiful day in Vegas. Pre man, it's good. Sun is out and everything. Like the sun come from back of the building there, see pre. Alright, at the mission that we're going to do, guys, you see pre. Man, like, comments and share, you know it thing go already. Subscribe and turn on the post notification bell, you see pre. Cause we're out here in our try run 2 games said way, you know. So just do the right thing. Alright, we're gonna start up a mission, guys. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell. That's as them drop, when you can get them, you see pre. Cause I drop them every other day, you see pre. So just tune in, you know, watch till the end. A little thing for ease your mind, so do it. You know, capture your eyes and make you go on pre man, so see pre. I'm going to start it up now. Remember, subscribe. What them on for me, you know? What them on for me? What them on for me? Hello?
What's up, man? A couple of rival thugs and undesirables have been populating the strips lately. It's bringing business down. So, Frank wants me to... Frank wants you.
Yeah, man, me. Boy, you not fighting man war them. Yeah.
If you need me, I'll be home eating ribs.
And that's the idea. Alright, guys. I'm gonna take the car. See if we can mash up every access. See you pray. The where's it from? Where? Again. Oh, no. Make all the sense. Guys, I go at it, sorry about it. That's why I'm gonna see I'm on that way again.
Yeah, tell me it's a cooking too.
Tell the shark cut them to come down there.
No. Oh, okay, sure. Go man, my dad. Your man? Yeah, still court now.
Car stuck, guys. Let me see you pray. Dead man. Guys, when I run, me just I get a good distance from them. You know, say kill off the boy them with these.
Like you say, I chat to what night.
Boy, I drain me energy, you know, guys. They see pre. Man, the mama shop a thing them in a game, so look down here rotted. Wait, I move too fast. Come in, want a vehicle. Alright, give me this. Now do what? I have more important things than what you have to do, brother. Drive around, you know. Come out that way, so say a one way, brother. What you do? If you want broke it one way. Watch out. Bike man to rotted. Big truck to rotted. Watch out. And no sister one way, what you do? Alright, yeah man. Now you have to go to car parts place. You buy parts for your car. Cause no what is a man? How a man in there? Be a man run a stuff in my fight off. How a man in there? Come back way up on hilltop the Sunday. You come round for your duppy. You come for me make your duppy. Guys, watch out, my life a drain. The boy, they want to kill me, you know? Jesus Christ, they kill me. Oh my God, I see that. Couple more shots, you know, guys, I'm dead like anti-foul, you know? Watch out. Waiting for answer. Aye. I have one more, guys. This time I have to go kill them with the car, cause I come out of this and now to rot it, me dead fam. I have to use the car and do badness and now I see you pray. Then I come out of this and the boy then shot me for one time. I'm going right down to earth. Like, comment and share. I'm safe if we can. Alright guys, if you not drop a like right now, we get to take out them 3 man. Drop a like guys. Two more left guys, 2 more. One more guys. Dead no boy. Yeah guys, okay. Oh you mean? Mission complete guys. Mission complete. Kill this man. Guys, we kill off everybody with just about 2 more shots and I'm dead. So you see me? But don't forget the video a thumbs up, you know. Comments and share right now. Just press it, it's me away. You know, if you're not subscribe, 4 months of bad luck that time. You know I'm bad luck, you know. So just subscribe, I see it. Alright, that's it for the video guys, cause see them are almost dead. We're gonna shut it down right now. As you remember, like, comment, share, and see it out here. Bop.